Okay, now what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those which are divisible by only 1 and themselves. Okay, so between 1 to 100 there are exactly 25 prime numbers. Okay, 1 से 50 के बीच 15 प्राइम नंबर होते हैं और बेसिकली 50 से 100 के बीच 10 प्राइम नंबर होते हैं. I have listed them all: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. ये सारे प्राइम नंबर्स होंगे 1 से 50 के बीच में. And between 50 to 100 I have 10 prime numbers, which are they? 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, then uske baad 79, uske baad 89, and then 97. Okay, all these 10 prime numbers. All right, so going on further, okay, let's have a question. What is the sum of all the possible remainders that are obtained when a prime number is divided by 6? It's a previous snap question. 2000 या 1 के आसपास आया था, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's a snap question exactly. So again, please pause and take your time to solve this. We'll discuss. Okay, guys, so let's solve this part now. So guys, the prime numbers we saw are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, तो फिलहाल 2 और 3 को साइड में रख देते हैं. Okay, in fact पहले 2 और 3 का हम लोग रिमाइंडर चेक कर लेते हैं. Let's say if you divide 2 with 6, the remainder is 2 only. If you divide 3 with 6, again the remainder is 3 only. Okay, for all the upcoming prime numbers, okay, let's say 5. If you divide 5 with 6, the remainder is 5. If you divide 7 with 6, the remainder is 1. Okay, so now you can keep on dividing and checking. Okay, whenever you divide any prime number with 6, apart from 2 and 3, the remainders you will get are always 1 and 5. Okay, that tells you all prime numbers, okay, greater than 3 can always be written in the form of 6k plus or minus 1. Okay, greater than 3, huh? This is applicable for all prime numbers greater than 3. Okay, they can be written in the form of 6k plus minus 1. Okay, so remember, the possible remainders you can have here are 2 and 3, which we found out for 2, 3 as such. And for all the other numbers, the remainders are basically 1 and 5. So when you add them, you get the answer 11. Okay, so with that, guys, we go on to the next part, that is composite numbers. Okay, composite numbers are the numbers which are composed of prime numbers. Okay, you can see here. Okay, example we liya humne yahan pe for the number, let's say 12. Okay, we know that 12 is formed by the combination of 2 ka power and 3 ka power. So 2 square into 3 raised to 1 gives you 12. Okay, we can also take the prime factors 2 and 3 into consideration and say ki ha, 12 is composed of the prime factors 2 and 3. Hence, it's a composite number of 2 and 3. 900 bhi ho gaya. 2 square, 3 square, 5 square consist of prime factors 2, 3, and 5. Okay, you can take example of 2100 also consists of prime factors 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, the next category of numbers which are perfect numbers. Okay, let's take the number 6. अब 6 के factors होते हैं 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, itself को भूल जाओ, खुद को भूल जाओ. The remaining factors are 1, 2, and 3. What happens when you add 1, 2, and 3? Okay, the sum is equal to 6, the same number, right? Okay, same thing you can observe for the number 28. 28 has factors 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28 itself. Okay, Filal, if you ignore 28, okay, the remaining factors are 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. When you add them, 1, 2 is 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 2, 14, 14, 28. Same number is again obtained back, right? So these are basically called as perfect numbers. Okay, if you add the factors of the numbers except itself, you get the same number back. Okay, so there's a general way, there's a general form of generating these perfect numbers. Okay, in the given expression that I have told you, yahan pe 2 raised to p minus 1 into 2 raised to p the whole minus 1, just substitute p as a prime number. Okay, so if you take p as 2, you get the first perfect number, which is 6. Okay, then you get p equals to 3, 28, you get p equals to 5, 496. Okay, and that's how you have perfect numbers.